Today I'm gonna show you about 6 projects. The first one, it's named BlitzBets. You can see it on my screen. It's X profile. So let's go. First of all, projects X and Telegram contains ETH. That's a sign of a weak or even bad project. So look here. Username contains ETH and their Telegram. This is their Telegram channel. Here ETH and here. Just I saw lots of bad projects of scams and racks who puts ETH or ERC20 or Ethereum or just ERC in their usernames and names. So take a look at this. Second, project's logotype uniqueness and quality are very questionable. Here is their logotype, okay? And on the website here, then look here and here and here. Very interesting, I think. Next. Third, their X posts made on December 18th and 19th have huge difference in activity. Let's look. They have in total 5 posts. So here's the first one on December 18th. 1 comment, 1 repost, 1 like, 153 views. Then again December 18th, 1 comment, 2 reposts, 9 likes, 1.1k views. Again December 18th, but here what we can see, 15 comments, 46 reposts, 101 like, and 2.9k views. Same on the December 19th. Good activity. But this is strange for me personally, and you will see why a little bit later. So they have lots of fake followers, which also making fake activity for different projects, and I will show you that. Here are their followers. Let's take this one, this, and this. So here's the guy who follows them, as you see. And he has lots of posts, and all of them are just reposts from other projects. You see? Then the second guy. He may be real, maybe not. Okay, let's skip this one. No, I think previous one and this one fake bots, but different type, just different type. This one also has reposts from different projects. Let's check more. This. Again, lots of posts, and all these are reposts almost. But you could spot same posts made from their personal profile, but this is the same from one account to another. Again, the same picture we see here reposts, and these kind of posts. They kind of personal, but this is all fake. This is bots. Here, same picture. And so on. Unfortunately, you can see their usernames containing some first name, second name, middle name, and just numbers in the end. These are all bots, almost all of them. You can go to the BlitzBets X profile and check all those by yourself. So, let's take a look at their website. One more thing that I remembered is their roadmap. Okay, here is their roadmap, phase 1, as you can see on their website. And what I personally do not like, that they wrote this and this. Such information, usually such information write only low quality projects. Not every project who write this will be bad, but this is one of the red flags for me. So I guess this is the end for BlitzBets, and I have this text file and screenshots of all what I showed you previously about them. You can find it in my Google Drive. I created a folder for that. The link for this project and for the rest of the projects which we will be looking today, the links on their folders will be in the description below the video. Okay guys, let's move on. The next project is zkExchange. So their website has plagiarism, and I will show you. This is their website, and it has plagiarism from 2 websites of other projects, from this one and from this one. First, let's look. So I have some screenshots. First, it's tokenomics. Okay, let's watch it live. Go to tokenomics on their website. Read that text. Remember it. Tokenomics forms the foundation of the project in the ecosystem. Let's go here in tokenomics. Tokenomics forms the foundation of the project, so on in the ecosystem. Okay, they're the same text. And next, join our community section from the second website. So, join our community, follow us on social media, so on, with like-minded individuals. Let's go check it here. Join our community, follow us on social media, and connect with like-minded individuals. The exact same text. And one more interesting thing, if you look which technologies was using to make this website, you'll find that CMS was tilde, security, DDoS guard, open graph, GS deliver, and jQuery. Okay, and what? Here is what. This CNET project, CMS tilde, DDoS guard, open graph, jQuery, JS deliver. And here RockGuard AI. Same picture. Tilde, DDoS guard, open graph, jQuery. Interesting. Next. Their logotype. Okay. Here is their logotype. It's everywhere, of course, on the website, X profile and Telegram channel. It's empty for now, by the way. And let's take a look why it's not unique at all. Remember it. Here, the same one in the different color. Same thing here, same thing here, and same thing here. So I don't even want to watch this project more deeper, because I already do not like it at all. All the links here, here, and all this, they will be again in this folder, notes zkExchange txt, and all the screenshots also allocated here, and you could check it by yourself. Let's move on to the next project. So our next project is ArcheriumAI. First of all, I also do not like this project, and I'll show you why. First thing is their connection is not secure. Look here. That's a bad sign. Second, that catches my eye personally again. Look here. That's the name of their X profile, ArcheriumAI. AI all have big letters. But here, in the website name, AI, the I letter is small. Again, here it's big, here it's big, here it's small, here it's big, here it's big, again big, and so on everywhere. They write it in different ways. The next thing is that among their ex-followers, lots of bots with AI-generated profile pictures, headers, and bios. And all of them have lots of reports from same key opinion leaders and projects. So let's take a look. Going to their followers. So here we are. And yes, they're still here. Let me show you. So here is the profile. Obviously AI generated profile picture and header. Just take a look at the quantity of posts. So he has reports from DeFi Oracle. Remember it. DeFi Oracle, Game Queen, Moon King, DeFi Compass, DeFi Buddha, again Moon King, DeFi Oracle, and so on. Let's take a look at the second one. Tom Trader. Okay, same AI generated. Profile picture, header, lots of posts, and these all are reposts from DeFi Oracle, Game Queen, Moon King, DeFi Buddha. Here's Crypto Mario, and so on. You easily could check it all by yourself. AI generated profile picture, header, lots of posts, reposts, Moon King, lots of Moon King, DeFi Compass, Crypto Mario, DeFi Oracle, DeFi Decoder. DeFi Decoder, you could spot him here. And there are lots of these kind bots. AI generated profile picture, header, and lots of posts. And profile description. Reposts from Moon King, DeFi Decoder, Moon King again, Decoder, Oracle, Moon King, Buddha, and so on. Hope you got it. And their X posts have fake activity. For example, here is lots of comments and likes, but yeah, and this post was made on August 1st, but here on August 13, 0 likes, comments, reposts. Here just a couple of them, and so on. That's it for this project. Again, I do not see the purpose to look deeper into it. Again, you will find the link below this video on all the screenshots and TXT version. Moving on, I want to show you the rest 3 projects which I already analyzed and researched long before. The first one, it launched this week, named ZKGPT. You can find it in my Telegram channel and X profile. Here is the detailed research on it. So since it already started, I will not talk about it, because you could just read all my thoughts on it here. The second one is Pillar. Here again on my channel in Telegram and in X, Pillar Finance. They did not launch yet, and you could read all this information in my Telegram channel and X profile. And the last one is Onion Encryption. They also didn't launch yet. So here is the Pillar community in Telegram and Onion Encryption in Telegram. Also ZKGPT lives actively. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching me. If you like the information I shared with you, please comment, follow me, follow my YouTube channel, Telegram channel and X profile, and till the next week.